Hey, thanks for coming back, or even thanks for watching this episode. I really appreciate you taking the time. If you haven't watched my first couple of episodes, let me just recap on where I'm at. I'm a guy, been around a while, a few moon passes, and found myself sitting on a couch way too much watching TV, and I needed a hobby. Hello, yeah, that's me. So in the first couple episodes, I kind of introduced myself, and then we took attempt at watching the very first attempt at welding, and I can say we had 4 or 5 solid fails during those times. But the last one, we went out on a good note. It was a very thick set of weld that I did a decent job of grinding down on the grinding wheel, which was not on camera, but it made it look good enough that I was excited to come back the second day. So this is me coming back, and what you're seeing me do right now is I identified it just seems still real dark with my new helmet, and I went and watched some YouTube that night, and I realized during one of the unboxings of that Viver helmet there was an extra piece of protective coating, which I actually thought was there, and I just couldn't find it. I watched the videos and I found where it was, so this is me finding it and taking care of that. So this video is going to be just really me just taking a second stab at welding. So I'm not going to do a bunch of commentary during this thing, and I'm going to fast it up, speed it up quite a bit, so it's easier to watch and doesn't take forever. Yeah, here I am reopening these ridiculous instructions. I call it the picture book because there's not a lot of words, and then some of the words like wire is incorrect. It's a weir in there. Oh well. So I was just trying to do some research before I kick in, but yeah. Again, thanks for coming.
We were young. Thanks.